Today we'll be troubleshooting InTouch IO. My name is Alex Richardson with Logic Inc. I'm here in a tech support role. Here we're looking at InTouch. We can see IO isn't working. 0, never a good number, and we see the red circle indicating there's bad communication. We're going to use a tool called Wonderware Client to troubleshoot IO. If you don't have it, you can go to our website, logic-control.com, support, files, downloads, then go to the Wonderware folder. There's a Wonderware Client folder which has the individual files, but I actually like going to the utilities folder where it's zipped up as www.client.zip. You'll click that, then it'll just be your username, which is your email, and a password. If you don't have it, give us a call. Okay, I just launched Wonderware Client, a very simple tool. We just need to type in the node name, application name, just like we do with an access name with InTouch. As part of my troubleshooting methodology, I'm going to copy and paste the fields in here. It feels slow doing the copy and paste, but I'm going to come out way ahead in time because if I type them, there's going to be this element of doubt in my troubleshooting process. That's going to make me go back and double check things and try things multiple times. But if I copy and paste, I gain the benefit of certainty. I selected IoT, which is SweetLink. That's what that acronym stands for, SweetLink. Don't ask me what it exactly means. What to notice here when clicking create is nothing's appearing in Wonderware Client. That indicates something's wrong. I've started to investigate our DA server. I'm just looking it over here. I have a number of mixers. I see my IP address is good. I go to device groups and notice it's mixer 1 instead of mix 1. Mixer 1 is the correct device group name. I'm going to do my copy and paste. Fix it in Window Maker while I'm here. Okay, looks good. Once I get that done, I'm going to jump back to Wonderware Client and test it there. UAC got flipped back on my dev box, so I have to kind of battle through that. That's annoying. Okay, now I paste. Now when I hit the create button, I'm going to observe a line of text in the main pane of Wonderware Client. This is indicative of I have my general connection up and working. I don't have data flowing yet, but my general connection is up and working. So now I'm going to test my InTouch app. I see it's still broken, okay, which leads me to troubleshoot my specific data point, which is my mixer level. I want to start investigating down to that level. I go to my DA server and look under Diagnostics Device Groups. What I've observed here is there's nothing. It's like I'm hitting the wrong address. I'm not hitting anything at all when there's nothing in that device groups. So I'm looking at mixer 1 level. I'm looking at my item name, and it says R1 here, which is what my PLC programmer told me it was. It was R1. Okay, so now I'm going to Wonderware Client item, which lets me put in my PLC tag name or PLC item name or PLC register, whatever you want to call it. I do advise EX. This is a very common button that you use in Wonderware Client. What it says is continuously try to pull that data point. I'm looking, I'm expecting data to show up besides R1 there, and nothing's showing up. I go back to my DA server. I'm still seeing nothing flowing through my DA server. So it's not working. I give my PLC programmer a call. I ask him, hey, what can be wrong here? And we talk for a few minutes. And then he realizes I typed in the word 1 when it should have really been the number 1. Do advise EX. That doesn't really look right on my screen. I see a 0. I expect it to be a value. So I'm going to look around here a little bit. I look at my system management console. I see R1 there. I see it's red under diagnostics. Just kind of poking around, thinking about turning off my DA server. But then I look back and I see it. Oh, it just took a little while to pull. So seeing green in those diagnostics is good. I've got the data. See how it says 4001. See how it says C0. C0 is the quality of data that you want to see. That means good quality data. SweetLink, the protocol, attaches more than the actual value. It actually attaches quality. There I've got 4001.